Friends, today I'm going to tell you a truth that the gym industry never wants you to know. Because if you find out this truth, you might just stop wasting thousands of dollars on gym memberships, supplements, and expensive machines. We've always been told that to build a strong and aesthetic body, a gym is necessary. That without dumbbells and machines, you can't build muscle. But the reality is, the gym is an option, not a necessity. The real magic lies in calisthenics. This is a training style where you use nothing but your own body weight, and you can build a body that's stronger, sharper, and more aesthetic than what you'd get even in a gym. And here's the best part. In just the first 7 days, you'll start seeing results in the mirror. And if you stick to this roadmap for 30 days, your physique will transform from beginner to advanced. So today, I'm going to give you the complete A to Z calisthenics workout roadmap, which includes step-by-step workouts from beginner to advanced, a complete 30-day recovery formula, and the hidden secrets that will help you build an aesthetic body without ever stepping into a gym. This isn't just another video. This is the blueprint of your transformation journey. Now listen carefully. If you're truly ready to train every single muscle in your body to unleash the real, dominating version of yourself, then comment "Start now" and stay with me till the end of this video, because at the end, I'll give you a free surprise gift that will multiply your fitness journey 10 times faster. So hit that bell icon right now and alert your subconscious mind, because my friend, from today, your life is about to change. Why is calisthenics the most powerful? Because calisthenics isn't just a workout. It's a system that upgrades both your body and your mind. Quit the gym and your muscles shrink fast. Do calisthenics and your strength and gains stay for the long term. Even if you fall sick or take a break, your body doesn't get weak overnight. This transformation isn't just on the outside. It happens on the inside too. That's why we've divided this journey into 3 phases: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. In the beginner phase, you'll build your foundation. Doesn't matter if you're starting from zero or coming back after a long break. This phase prepares your body in the first 10 days for the advanced levels ahead. Your calisthenics journey begins with the most powerful and classic exercise, the push-up. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Plant them firmly on the ground. Keep your back straight and face forward. Now slowly lower yourself down in control, bringing your chest close to the floor. Pause for 1 second and really feel the tension in your muscles. Then push back up with control. Remember, no need to rush. The slower and more controlled your movement, the stronger and more solid your muscles will become. If you can't do a normal push-up yet, start with incline push-ups using a table, chair, or wall, or knee push-ups from the ground. These variations will build your strength and eventually take you to full push-ups. Push-ups will naturally build a wide and strong chest and shoulders, pump up your arms and triceps, strengthen your core for better posture and balance, boost your stamina, burn fat, and make your body lean, energized, and action-ready. In short, push-ups are the foundation of your entire upper body transformation. The next exercise is the plank. It looks simple, but it forges your abs and core into solid rock. Lie face down on the floor. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders. Support yourself on your elbows and toes, keeping your body in one straight line. Keep your back straight. Don't let your hips drop or rise. Face forward with your eyes down. Start by holding this position for 30 seconds, then gradually increase up to 2 minutes. As you hold the plank, you'll feel intense tension in your core, abs, lower back, and obliques. That burn is what sculpts your six-pack and turns your core into iron. So plank doesn't just give you abs, it builds a shield of strength and stability. The next exercise is bodyweight squats. If you want a truly strong and aesthetic body, ignoring your legs is the biggest mistake. Strong legs equal a strong foundation. Stand upright with feet shoulder-width apart. Stretch your arms forward for balance. Slowly squat down as if sitting on a chair. Bring your thighs parallel to the floor, hold for 1 second, then push back up. Keep your back straight. Don't let your knees pass your toes. Stay in control through the entire movement. You'll feel the fire in your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. That burning fire is exactly what builds real strength. Squats aren't just an exercise. They are the king of lower body training. Next is jumping jacks. This will turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Stand upright. Jump while spreading your legs and swinging your arms overhead. Jump back to starting position and repeat at a fast pace. Your heart rate will rise, your lungs will pull in more oxygen, and your whole body will warm up. At first it feels easy, but soon you'll feel your body literally melting fat. Jumping jacks will burn away your laziness and extra fat, speeding up your transformation and filling you with explosive energy. And finally, pull-ups, the ultimate upper body builder. Grab a solid horizontal bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Hang with your back straight, core tight, and eyes forward. Now pull yourself up slowly and in control, bringing your chest close to the bar. Pause for a second and feel the tension in your back and biceps. Then lower yourself back down in control. Remember, the slower and more controlled, the stronger your grip, back, and arms will become. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, start with negative pull-ups, assisted pull-ups, or Australian pull-ups on a low bar. These variations will build your strength until you can master full pull-ups. Pull-ups will build a wide V-shaped back, pump your biceps and forearms, strengthen your core, and increase your grip power so much that even heavy lifts feel easy. Pull-ups aren't just an exercise. They are the master key to your complete upper body transformation. You need to follow this routine continuously for the next 10 days, and you'll start seeing results within just 7 days. For part 2, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like.